This is Dr. Scott Werner. St. Germane came to me in Reno, Nevada, and told me to record this and educate as many people as possible. And I will tell you exactly what he said and how to manifest. Basically, you bring in the earth energy by visualizing an orange, glowing, reddish magma coming up into your feet and bring it up into the sacral plexus. You visualize a orange flame coming in from Zephyriel, who is an archangel who brings in ecstasy and creative energy. And you bring in the energy from the source, which is a golden white flow of energy down into your body. You bring this down through the heart and down into the creative chakra. Then you call in the star children, who bring in 11 double helixes of DNA to add to our double helix, our one double helix of DNA, which makes a complement of 24 strands of DNA. And we take the energies we brought into our body and we start having the DNA replicate, and it replicates from the top down, coming down to the telomeres, and the telomeres are perfected so they do not break, and the strands of DNA replicate, and we wind each of the 12 double helixes like a braid and make them into a strong rope, which is invincible and impenetrable and powerful. And we incorporate this rope DNA of all 12 double helix of the 24 strands of DNA, and we put every one of them in every cell in our body, replacing the old nucleus with this new rope DNA that is invincible and impenetrable to radiation, toxins, chemicals, any type of pollutants, and it will make us invincible as a organism to these things and help us evolve so that these chemicals and toxins and radiation does not affect our bodies. And we perfect our bodies with this, and we also put it into every cell in our body, including the blood, which currently doesn't have any DNA within it. And with this DNA in every cell in our body, we produce all the perfect proteins, organelles, mitochondria, repair our cell membranes and make them perfect with these perfect proteins and perfect molecules. And we do this throughout our body and perfect our body. St. Germane said that we are supposed to do this 12 times 12 times, and each 12 times we do it, it raises us one step up until we're 12 steps finally up when we've done it 144 times, and it manifests into the physical within our body and will perfect our body and help us to be invincible and be able to withstand the chemicals, the radiation, all the poisons that are present in our atmosphere, and it will perfect our bodies. Thank you for listening, and God bless you. And the other thing that St. Germane said is have faith and continue this in faith and use the energies each time. Bring forth those energies from the star children and the DNA strands from all the 11 other double helixes, and perfect our double helix and wind them into a rope, braid them into a rope, which is much stronger than just the double helix by itself, and it will make it invincible and impenetrable and completely perfect, and it will be the complement of the DNA which we actually had when we used to live 1,000 years. Thank you for listening. God bless you. We'll talk to you soon.